Ready to unlock the true power of your Facebook ads and stop throwing money into the digital void? First, log into your GoDaddy account and navigate to your website dashboard. Find the website you want to connect to Facebook. If you have multiple websites, make sure you're selecting the right one. Now, look for the settings button. It usually looks like a gear icon or says settings. Click on that. Within the settings menu, find marketing integrations. It might also be labeled something similar like connections or integrations. Click on that option. Now, head over to your Facebook Ads Manager. Go to the Events Manager section. If you haven't created a pixel yet, you'll be prompted to create one. Click the Create Pixel button. Once your pixel is created, you'll see different options for installation. Choose the Manually Add Pixel Code to Website option. This will give you the base code for your pixel. Copy the entire pixel code provided by Facebook. This code is what allows Facebook to track activity on your website. Be sure to copy all the code. Go back to your GoDaddy website editor and find the section to add custom code. This is usually in the header or footer of your site. Paste the Facebook pixel code into the text box. Once you've pasted the code, make sure to save your changes and publish your website. This will activate the pixel. To verify that your pixel is working correctly, install the Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome extension. Visit your website, and the extension will show if the pixel is firing. And that's it. You've successfully added your Facebook pixel to your GoDaddy website. Now you can start tracking conversions, optimizing your ads, and reaching your ideal customers with laser precision.